Today I'm reviewing CreditFresh line of credit to break down whether it is a legitimate lender or a ripoff in 2026 and what you should absolutely know before applying. CreditFresh offers a personal line of credit online where qualified borrowers can apply for a credit limit generally between about $500 and $5,000 and access funds quickly if they need cash fast. And it partners with FDIC-insured banks, so it is a real lender and not an outright scam. Many customers praise how the application process is easy. Approval can be fast, and funds may hit your bank the same day if you apply before cutoff times, which can be useful in emergencies when other options are limited, especially with low credit scores. However, there are serious drawbacks you must understand. CreditFresh does not clearly disclose exact costs up front, and borrowers report that billing cycle charges and interest can be extremely high, sometimes comparable to payday loans, and expensive to pay off over time. Multiple consumer complaint trackers like the Better Business Bureau show hundreds of complaints about high fees, confusing terms, and minimal reduction of principal even after many payments, and some users say balance owed barely moves despite regular payments. Community discussions on Reddit describe situations where only a small portion of biweekly payments went toward the actual debt while the rest covered fees, effectively trapping borrowers in debt for extended periods. Some reviewers even warn that the structure can feel predatory for people already in financial stress. Because of these high costs and payment structure, many financial advisors recommend exploring safer alternatives like credit unions, personal bank loans, or trusted peer-to-peer lenders before taking a CreditFresh line. In short, CreditFresh is not a scam in the sense that it disappears or doesn't fulfill its obligations, but it can feel like a ripoff if you don't fully grasp the cost and repayment mechanics, since its expensive fees and billing structure can make it very hard to pay down the principal.